November 8th, 2022. We just finally got our first rainstorm, probably the fourth one all year. It's coming in little squalls. So yeah. So who knows what's going on. My buddies are hanging around. See, I know how to get them off their asses. But yeah, I don't know, I'm over it. We're trying to stay dry, not quite Noah's deluge, but got up on the roof, put a little tarp there, bucket brigade. So who knows what these yahoos are up to. Very, I guess coincidental that the blood moon lunar eclipse tonight, of course, will not be visible here in northern Baja. So I find that the timing of that quite interesting. But that's happened before. When they need things to be overcast and cloudy, they can make that happen. And kids, try to keep the electrical wires away from the water. And that would be my advice to you all out there. You don't want to get shocked. All right, people, stay dry.